Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you the most common cause of why most concrete cutoff saws end up blowing up or getting a scored engine. 99% of the time is because the air filters are not regularly replaced. And if you have a big job to do, sometimes just one job that you will do will fill up the filter like this. Watch this. No, that's insane. Look at all that dust in the filter. That will eventually work its way through and end up in your engine. It'll bypass this little filter here as well. And that's like having very fine sandpaper go through your engine. It's going to score up the cylinder, and if it doesn't score it up, it will actually wear it down so that there's no compression left. And then your saw is not going to run right. So my advice is, if you do a lot of cutting with your concrete saw, replace your filter every week if you just did a big job. And also take out your filter once in a while and clean it up. This one here is way too far gone. That's way too much dust. So this will need to be replaced. Also on these saws, you have to clean in here, over here, just air blow it. And sometimes you can take this screw off and you'll see there's more dirt that can pile up in here. I'll just take that off and show you. And here's what it looks like behind here. So it intakes the air through all these ports, goes out through here, and then your filter basically filters it before it gets in the carburetor. So by cleaning these holes here and these ones over here, you're allowing the airflow to be optimal. So this is why a lot of small engine shops don't like to work on these saws. They are always filthy dirty. So what I will do here is just air blow it, and you're going to see an incredible amount of dust. But again, guys, do regular maintenance on your filter. It'll make your saw last a lot longer. Thanks for watching.